How to install apps on Fire Stick TV. If you want to install apps on your Fire TV stick, it's fairly simple to do that. First of all, as long as you have access to your internet, as in when you turn on your Fire Stick, this is the interface you will see. So you want to navigate to this apps icon on the right hand side until you scroll down and find this App Store. So this is an Amazon App Store. Now even though Fire Stick is based on Android, it does not come with Google Play Store. Instead, they have their own App Store, which you can simply go inside your App Store over here. And when you go inside your App Store, you'll be able to see various games and even some of the apps that are free or that are paid. And if you want to download a certain app, you could just select that application. And when you select that app, you'll see various options. And right over there, if it's a paid app, you will see subscribe and get app button. But if it's a free app, you'll be able to download the app for free. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.